First stop on my way to Indianapolis, found this little cool shop. Good prices, had both Ezra 7s for about 60 bucks each. So this small town, Richmond, Indiana, had lots of these big papas. I ended up not going to most of them because they have a tiny bourbon selection. They got the biggest lineup of Hooten Young I've ever seen. Judging by the color of the whiskey inside the bottle, they look super good. Although the previous store had this stuff for $150. Man, this store had like a bunch of store picks here. Should I have gotten this Heaven's Door 10? Is it any good? This Midwest Spirits has been highly recommended. Lowest price on a single barrel I've ever seen. I thought I got super lucky getting there when there was a delivery, but that wasn't the case. As you're first getting into Indianapolis, stores are pretty horrible, tiny selections, everything behind bulletproof glass. So I randomly ran into this place. It's in a very rough neighborhood, but you can tell this shop is very bourbon oriented. It's very compact, has a ton of bottles. They told me to do 150 barrel picks a year. So I guess I was talking to the owner's son. He's super into bourbon, and it shows by their collection. They try to keep things pretty close to MSRP. However, you're not gonna find any unicorns here because they let their best customers buy half of the good stuff, and the other stuff they just raffle off. At this point, I thought I was a genius detective. I found a box of Wild Turkey 12 and Elijah Craig Toasted Barrel, but the guy told me they just put them there to fuck with people. Those were never for sale. These were some interesting museum pieces. That's what old school Green River looks like. So the cool part about this place is their bourbon tasting room next door. That used to be a dive bar. So the bartender is really cool, loves talking about bourbon. She used to work at a distillery, and I definitely would have hit up a lot more spots had I not just spent hours just chatting with her. And this is how it works. Keep in mind, if you go here, the bottles are probably going to be different because they rotate them out every week. Things go pretty fast over there. So the top shelf, you only get 2 pours, 1 ounce each per day. Prices range from $25 to $15. The bottom shelf, you can only get 1 ounce pour of each bottle per day, and the rest of the bar, it's pretty much unlimited. So I got Blanton's Full Proof, and then Knob Creek 15-year store pick that was 120 proof, which is crazy. Kind of sad, you have to win the lottery to get one of these bottles. High West Barrel Select looking cool. New Riff 6-year malted rye, not always available everywhere. This might be kind of amazing. A cask strength and only 97 proof. So for my last stop, I got this bottle. It's pretty nice. I'd recommend it if you like low proof stuff.